What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Buick Allure remote key fob. This Buick Allure key fob is going to work on the 2005 to 2010 Buick Allure, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we take a look down here near the key ring, off to the one side, we can see there's this little notch right here that I'm touching with the end of my screwdriver. And if your remote's a bit worn, that notch can be a little bit hard to see. But I'm just going to take my screwdriver and put it in that notch like that, and then pry the two halves apart. Go ahead and pull that back cover off, and we see our battery right here. And this battery will just slide out from underneath that battery clip. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide it underneath that clip, and then we can snap the two halves back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.